Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how employees can easily check in and check out using the mobile app connected with Odoo. And with geofencing, you can make sure check-ins and check-outs only happen inside the defined area. So, let's start the mobile app. So, in mobile app, you have to add your URL where your Odoo is hosted. Then you just have to enter your username and password. Once you log in, first time when you log in, it asks for the language you prefer to continue with the app. I am selecting as English and then continue. So in home screen, you can see the simple check-in button, and beside the tab, you can see the attendance history screen where you can see your history. Let's do check-in. So when you click on check-in, it asks for the location permission. You have to allow that. Yeah, and simply check-in is made. Right. In history also you can see the 9th September date, and it it shows me the all entries of that date. If I have one entry or multiple check-ins, it shows the all entries and total duration, first check-in and last checkout time. Yeah, in sidebar you can see my profile section, attendance history, languages, and logout. In my profile, you can see that my name, email, department, position, etc. In attendance history, again the same screen. In language, you can change your language, app language anytime you want to update. If I want to change to Spanish, I can continue, and your app will be changed to Spanish mode. Yeah. Uh, So this way you can refresh and update the status of the mobile app. Then you can simply press on checkout to checkout, and you can see the entries created that I have check-in on 9:37 a.m. and I have checkout 9:39 a.m. and I have worked for 1 minute. It's a seconds game that displays not displays in the duration. If I made another entry, it will add the records below the screen, below the check-in button. Yeah. So for the over here, I can refresh in the Urdu screen to make sure that our check-in is created on the perfect time. Yeah, 9:37, 48 seconds, and 9:39 uh, 01 I have checked out. So I have worked for 1 minute, and another check-in I have made that also displays over here. So for the geofencing, you have to configure your lat long and allowed radius. So you have to go to setting in companies. You have another tab for location. So here you have to set your latitude, longitude, and allowed radius. I have I have get my current lat long from the Google map. You can go and take the latitude and longitude from the Google Maps. And I want to whether allow radius for the 10 meters, 15 meters, whatever. I am setting as 50 meters allowed. So this way I have configured my locations. I can set multiple locations if I have, or if I have just one, you can configure the one only. So now I have the location. So when I check out, whether I am checking, whether I am check out, the location will check. So on checkout, yeah, I have simply checkout because the I am the radius. I am in the radius. My mobile is on the provided location radius, right? So I can also check in and check out. So for that, if I mm, change the radius to 10 meters. Let me see it allows or not. Yeah. So it gives the warning that you are not in office location. In mobile app, you can see. So this way, you can manage your geofencing, that your multiple locations can handle also, and you can restrict the allowed radius of the meters to the current location. If I change 50 and again check for the login, yeah, it allowed me to check in. So this is how we can manage our check-ins, employees check-in, check-out from the mobile app using geofencing locations. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.